now we can start and we can install OnSSET. We use the instructions that are posted here on GitHub, okay? So in GitHub, this link, you can see how you can clone the repository of OnSSET. So you take this instruction here and you clone OnSSET in your environment, okay? So as you can see, we are cloning our object. It's going to take a little bit, okay? So be patient. All the installation sometimes can require some minutes according to your performance of your computer and the stuff that you're installing. So we see if we got something in our OnSSET environment. Okay, you can see that in OnSSET training now you have OnSSET. Okay. And this is our environment. So in OnSSET training OnSSET, you see that you have the repository was cloned. Okay. So we need to go inside what we clone. So cd OnSSET. We are inside, and now we try to install the software. Okay. So Python setup.python develop. So this script is basically running a setup script that is already prepared by the developers inside the software, and it's going to try to install all the software step. Okay. So here you can see that I forgot something that was in your documentation to install the component that you need to run the setup. So you need to write this instruction before to install the setup tools. We let it run. We see if we manage to install the component that you need to install the software, and now we can try again to run the setup scripts. Okay, as you see now, it's going, getting some output and some feedback about how the installation is going. Sometimes you get some information about different version of different components that are required and so on. But we hope to get to not get at least some errors that can prevent the software from running. Okay. So as you can see, it's going fast enough. My computer, I think. Let's see. When it's finished, so we can verify. Let me see if we can verify if the software is installed correctly. Let's see if I have an instruction that I can use. Yeah. Okay. So let's see what I get if I write pipe show OnSSET. Okay, you got a lot of deprecated package. These are warning, okay? So besides that, we see at the end that we have the software, okay? So we have, if we write PIP show OnSSET, you have the name of the software, the model, and so on with the author and the link, okay? So if we see this stuff, it means that that everything is good. So we go to our directory and see what we have. So in the C, oh, sorry, we install it in the training. Okay, so the OnSSET, you have all the documentation that is installed. So you can see that you should have this OnSSET software requirement. Then you can go in OnSSET, and in OnSSET you have the Python code. Okay. For example, here I have a editor. It's called Notepad Plus. You can have other editors. If you open, okay, if you right click on the main code that is OnSSET Python, I edit it with Notepad Plus, but you can open with other text editor, and you can see that you can find all the code of OnSSET. Some of this code is required to verify or to set some of the parameters for OnSSET. Okay. So now I think that we should stop this video as well. If you reach this stage, it means that Python is installed correctly on your computer, that you have OnSSET installed correctly on your computer. In the next step, we're going to verify that the installation went well, and we try to finalize and prepare all the special data that we need to create the input file for OnSSET. Okay, so thank you, and see you in the next video.